Yeah, Mishtain, do. Let me see if you guys can guess where we are. It's like an out-of-town community, but it's literally 17 minutes away from Borough Park.
That's right.
Mishtain, do in Staten Island, man, nun did the official Silk Spoon restaurant. Oh, me faf do auch it. Okay, it's not so bad. It's not out-of-town. If faf, me weiß, it's a faf do. Have a Silk Spoon restaurant before we go inside. The ambience, we come to you feel like in a different world. Staten Island, La Masa, we check the those for life. So, anyways, is going to Borough Park. You want to check out life and go out for a night, a beautiful, beautiful restaurant. You come here 70 minutes away from Borough Park and you're in a restaurant here. You checked out life.
Chaim, ich will dich sagen noch mehr. Wenn du kommst zum Borough Park für ein Restaurant, darfst du dich 17 Minuten dem Restaurant für Parking. Let me show you something.
Hast du?
So here we go. This is the parking lot.
She has to
It's
parking.
Off-street parking also. So I begleidig du, wir können parken du.
Wow. Unbelievable. Parking. Let's go.
Chaim, komm ran. Sie freezing du in draußen. Warm up inside. Es noch schmeckende Essen ran in den Nuse ran. Hörst du? It speak for itself.
Silk Spoon. Taste the passion. Steigt sich ein heimische Hechsche du, Tanapolechsche. Let's go in official.
Du hast den Moishi de Balabus.
Der Balabus der Moishe. Schon mal eigentlich der Moishe, was machst du?
Thank you for coming, Chaim. Looking forward to hosting all your followers.
Ah, sei, geht, the followers and the grind. Moishe, go in him call, get my kick, was Moishe the Zivish down there. Tisch do with the trinken.
Chaim, I want to tell you, our drinks are 5-star.
The trinken is ain't those fine and nice. The strawberry, the birthday cake, cookie and cream. Woof! All right.
Chaim, ich sehe, du wirst mich schicken schon von der Trinken. Wo ist das Team bei der Essen?
Der Essen. Wow, lass mir dir was das hier gereiht, du.
Chaim, gib einen Kick auf unseren Tisch.
Gee, gib einen Kick. Woof! Unbelievable.
Chaim, ich gehe riefen den Chef, soll dich maßbar sein, was jeder Tisch ist.
Sagst du, der Chef, sagst du, man darf wissen, wie ist du?
Okay, hier ist der Chef.
Oh, that Mustafa, how are you? Good, how you doing? Okay, give me the mic and let's hear every detail of the dishes over here. I heard the dishes are, if the drinks over there are 5-star, the dishes are probably 10-star over here. Let me hear a rundown over here.
All right, first of all, we have here portobello salad.
Portobello?
With goat cheese, arugula salad.
Portobello.
Yes, with goat cheese.
Cheese.
And here we have salmon delight.
Look at that, look at that, look at that.
And here we have garden harmony.
Wow, your dishes here look out of the world.
And here we have fire tuna.
Fried tuna.
Fire tuna.
Fire tuna.
Yep.
Get my kick, look at that. How do you get those designs to be so straight over there?
Oh,
if it's so runny, the juice.
And here we have we call it Sibas more.
Wow.
Yep. And trying our best like with the experience and this lava, Burkina lava.
Burkina lava. Then you break that open, it comes out the juice.
Yep.
The chocolates.
And here we have sweet potato ravioli with the cheese.
Sweet potato ravioli with the cheese, guys. Look at this. Out of the world.
There's a lot of seasoning, a lot of stuff in there.
How do you enjoy cooking over here? What's the vibe?
Do with love, like
you do it with love. You put your love into it over here.
Of course.
This is just a beautiful, beautiful dish to set up over here. Beautiful table. Got a wine bottle as well.
Yep.
It's gorgeous.
So welcome anytime, guys. Like we're here to serve you, like with the best food, with the best taste, with the always fresh, always kosher.
Amazing. Thank you.
Sure.
Official. This is just unbelievable. Midday tish do with the essen. 10-star food. With over here the 5-star drinks over here. Unbelievable, unbelievable. I can't get over this. I can't get enough of this. Shee! The ambience, dude. Let's go. Burich, Atu. Bode, Priya, Gufen. Chaim. The ambience, the look, the vibe is unbelievable. The smell, the music, ich kann nicht warten, the ganze Restaurant do, weil sie gepackt an Nacht, like always.
Ja.
But ich kann noch warten, du wirst da ein bisschen, this place is packed. But Baruch Hashem, kann einer hat so a ganze section in the back, wo sie gar nicht warten. But it's a beautiful ambience, beautiful cozy section in the back of the store. The music, the vibe, the energy. In, kann man Sheva Broches in Dochit?
Sheva Broches, family gathering. We have every night business meetings, whatever you like.
So you can make a private party here, man can all dig in.
Yeah.
It's all yours.
Wow. Very convenient located, hast Parking, hast alles, sehr geschmackvoll. Chaim, ich will dir sagen, der sind die eine Grand Opening. Sie geht sagen, du Eli Markus geht singen, Balloons, Donuts for free. Die ganze Säule sind weiter zu kommen. Sie geht
Der sind morgen.
Der sind
Gevere Zintig, Parshas.
Demo.
Zintig Parshas.
Demo.
Guys, on a grand opening, dude. The address is 460 Bradley Avenue in Staten Island. Gevere, how long the phone number do? I will was stellen Sheva Broches. Book it. Come over. Open every night.
You park right away. You have no issues.
It's yours,
just come. We're open Motzei Shaboss.
Motzei Shaboss, Motzei Yom Tov, Gevere. Come in and do Silk Spoon. Schkoich. Van mijn vader in de plaats, dus in de plaats en als maar lichten. Veilig in Tummet.